In the heart of Oman, a tale of nautical prowess and cultural exchange unfolds as its maritime legacy steers the tides of history. Through centuries of exploration and trade, Oman blossomed into a beacon of diversity and dynamism, where each voyage charted new paths of discovery. Long ago, amid the sprawling deserts and spectacular coastlines of Oman, a maritime culture thrived. Known for their fearless spirit and unparalleled navigational skills, Omani seafarers embarked on voyages across the Indian Ocean, weaving stories of prosperity and exchange. Their ships, known as dhows, carried not only goods, but also tales of distant lands and adventures. The wealth of Oman was not solely in precious metals, but in the mastery of spice and silk routes, transforming its ports into bustling hubs of commerce. Merchants and traders haggled spiritedly, each transaction a tale of faraway lands and exotic offerings. These exchanges forged bonds between continents, making Oman a nexus of cultural connection. With the dawn of each new voyage, Omani seamen braved the vast, unpredictable waters, forging routes that linked Arabia with East Africa, India, and even China. These voyages were perilous, yet filled with wonder as navigators interpreted the stars and signs of nature to guide them safely. The sea was both a formidable adversary and a cherished ally. The shores of Oman welcomed visitors with open arms, each a bearer of new stories and traditions. Languages intertwined and customs shared, as the Sultanate became a melting pot of diversity. This synergy enriched Oman's identity, crafting a legacy defined by its openness and foresight. As time marched on, Oman's resilience was tested by the shifting sands of political turmoil and regional conflict. The seafaring nation confronted challenges with the wisdom drawn from its history of fortitude and diplomacy. Oman preserved its sovereignty, emerging as a beacon of stability and vision in the region. In the face of modernity, Oman remained deeply connected to its roots, celebrating an unbroken lineage of maritime mastery and cultural richness. Festivals and ceremonies echoed tales from the past, honoring the sea as the eternal muse of the nation. The ebb and flow of the tides are reminders of an enduring legacy. Today, Oman embraces a future forged by its historical narrative, a tale of exploration, inclusion, and resilience. The spirit of the dhow navigates newer waters of technology, economy, and culture, guiding the nation towards new horizons and challenges. Oman stands as a testament to the enduring legacy of a people shaped by the sea.